Accounting for share capital. Equity. Issue of share. Company. A company is an incorporated association which is an artificial person created by law having a separate legal identity with a perpetual succession and a common share. Kind of company. Private company as per section 268 of Company Act 2013 instead of 1956. A private company is one which has a minimum paid up capital as may be prescribed and which by its article of association restrict the right to transfer its share if any except in one person company limit the number of its member exclude its present and past employee member to 200 if any share is held jointly by two or more persons they shall be treated as a single member. Prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe for any security of the company. The name of a private company ends with the word private limited and whereas public company is and with the word of only limited. Public company as per section 271 of Company Act 2013 public company is a company which is not a private company and which has minimum capital as may be prescribed is a private company being a subsidiary of a company which is not a private company. The name of the public company ends with the word limited. One person company section 262 of the Company Act 2013 define one person company as a company which has only one person as a member of it is a company incorporated as a private company which has only one member. Minimum paid up capital is not prescribed. Private or public company can have share capital as the promoters decide. Share. The capital of a company is divided into small units. Each of these small units is called a share. Minimum. Each share has a nominal value or face value which may be 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 5 rupee or 10 rupee or any amount. Nature of share as per section 44 of the Company Act 2013 share or debenture or other interest of any member in a company shall be movable property transferable in the manner provided by the article of the company. According to Sale of Goods Act 1930, goods mean any kind of movable property other than actionable claim and money and include stock and share. So on the basis of above two definitions, it can be concluded that shares are basically goods which can be bought, sold or gifted. Share capital. It means it is that part of the capital of a company which is represented by the total nominal value of a share which has issued. Now classification of share capital. From accounting point of view, share capital can be classified as authorized share capital, issue capital, subscribed capital. Subscribed and fully paid up. Subscribed but not fully paid up. Reserves capital. It is that portion of uncalled share capital which shall not be capable of being called up except in the event and for the purpose of the company being bound up. Capital reserve. It is a reserve which is not free for distribution as dividend. It is mandatory to create capital reserve in case of capital profit earned by the company. Reserves which are created out of capital profit are not readily available for distribution as dividend among the shareholders. Now, for example, premium on issue of share on debenture, profit on reissue of share, profit prior to incorporation, premium on reduction of debenture. Classes or kind of share. Shares are mainly classified into two categories. Preference share. Preference share are the shares that carry the following two rights: preference right of dividend to be paid up as fixed amount or an amount calculated at a fixed rate, which may either be free or subject to income tax. Return of capital on the winding up of the company before that of equity share. Equity share means equity share are the shares which are not preference share. Thus, this share does not carry any preferential right or any other word. Equity share is one which is entitled to dividend and repayment of capital after the claim of preference share is satisfied. Now, presentation of share capital in company balance sheet. This is a practical work, so I hope you done self. Some terms of issue of share at par. It means when shares are issued at their face value, the shares are said to have been issued at par. Par means equilibrium. Issue price and face value are same. Issue of share at premium. It means when shares are issued at a value that is higher than the face value of the share. The shares are said to have been issued at premium. Issue price is more than the face value. Now, full subscription of share. When the number of shares applied for is equal to the number of shares offered for subscription, the shares are said to be fully subscribed. Oversubscription of share. When the number of shares applied for is more than the number of shares offered for subscription, the shares are said to be oversubscribed. Call in error. It is very important. Call is in error. When one or more shareholder fail to pay his due at the time of allotment or call, it is technically called call in error. Table F of the Company Act 2013 provide for the payment of interest on call in error at the rate of not exceeding 10% per annum. Call in advance. The part of whole amount received from the shareholder before the call is made, it is called a call in advance. This amount is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet as a separate item under the head share capital, but it is not added to the amount of paid up capital. Table F of the Company Act 2013 provide for the payment of interest on call in advance at the rate of not exceeding 12% per annum. That's all. Some topics are also covered in this video. Employee Stock Option Plan, ESOP. It is a plan where an option is given by the company to its whole-time director, officer and employees to purchase or acquire at a future date a specified number of shares at a predetermined price, which is usually lower than the market price. Some important terms. Private placement of share. It means issue and allotment of share to the selected group of persons privately and not to public in general. It is generally made by private or unlisted company. When a company issued share through private placement body, a special resolution to this effect should be passed. All AGBI guidelines concerning preferential issue are applicable to private placement of share as well. Preferential allotment means preferential allotment is the one that is made at a predetermined price to the pre-identified people who are interested in taking a strategic stake in the company, such as promoter, venture capitalist, financial institution, buyer of a company product or its supplier. Straight equity share, very important point of view for MCQ type question 2021. According to section 288 of the Company Act 2013, the expression strict equity share means equity share issued by a company to its employee or director at a discount. A company may issue sweet equity share of a class already issued by passing a special resolution to specify the number of shares, their current market price consideration, and the class or classes of director of or employee to whom such share are to be issued. A period of 1 year must have elapsed since the date of company has commenced business. The company is also required to meet the regulation of SEBI. That's all. Right issue. The existing shareholder under section 2062 of the Company Act 2013 have a right to subscribe to fresh issue of share capital made by the company in proportion to their existing shareholder. They may subscribe to the offer in full or in part of, may reject or may renounce the right. Alternatively, the company may seek their approval through passing a special resolution to offer the fresh issue to the public in general. Buyback of share. The term buyback of share implies the act of purchasing its own share by the company. Sources of funds for buyback are free reserve, the security premium reserve account, and the proceeds of any share or other specified security. Now last one is employee stock purchase scheme. Employee stock purchase scheme means a scheme under which a company offers share to its employee as a part of a public issue or otherwise. In respect of share issued under employee stock purchase scheme during any accounting period, the following general entry is passed. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे, एम्प्लॉय कंपनसेशन एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट, एंड टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट, टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट डिजर्व अकाउंट क्रेडिट. That's all.